Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to give you a quick update on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Matic, and Solana. We did get a daily candle close just now, so I wanted to make this video, get this video out to you guys 12 minutes ago, U.S. Eastern time. We did get a candle close above the 200-day moving average that came in at right around 45,970 area. Okay. And we also have the 50 coming up here, guys. We have the 50 coming up. All right. So, what this means, guys, this is exciting. I want you guys to get excited about this because, on a technical analysis standpoint, and I'm going to circle this for you guys with Bitcoin. Guys, this is awesome because what this means is we are setting up for a golden cross. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, a golden cross. Okay. You remember when everybody made the big deal about the death cross and it was, oh, we're all going down. It's the death cross. That happened right here. That is when the 50 moving average goes under the 200-day moving average, okay? Now, when we go up and we cross above it, that's when we turn into the golden cross, guys. The golden cross, okay? So when this average moves up above this green, so when this orange line moves up above this green line, we are going to get a golden cross, and it's going to happen very soon, guys. So, yeah, let's see if the 50-day moving average holds up. We want to stay above these moving averages, okay? So we want to get candles closing above these moving averages. And what I would like to see on the daily close today on Bitcoin, guys, is I want to see us get above this area right here, 46,800 area, okay? I want to see this candle get above here because we got the bounce off the 50 right here. Okay, and I'll circle it for you. It's the 50-day moving average is orange. The 200 is green. We got the bounce right off of there, guys. And now I want to see this candle get above this area to look for more continuation. That's what I'm looking for Bitcoin, guys. So let's keep an eye on it. But we definitely don't want to see a candle closing under this 50-day a daily candle closing, or even under the 200-day. We want to see it staying above these averages for more continuation to the upside. Okay, guys. So, but this is setting up for a potential big move, guys, and this is coming soon, very soon. Okay, so if we can get a pop up here, the 50-day will move up a lot quicker. So the faster this goes up, the quicker this 50-day will cross this 200-day, and we will get that golden cross. Okay, so let's keep this in mind. Golden cross is coming, guys. Okay, that is very bullish. So Bitcoin still looking good. Like I said, we barely did it, guys, but we did open above. We did open above the 200-day. Okay, so that is very, very positive. I'm very happy that happened. The Bulls fought just enough to keep it this streak going. So let's see what happens here. Let's go to Ethereum chart, guys. Ethereum chart's looking good for a bounce. We definitely want to see a new high on this daily. So we want to see the new high break on this daily above 3562 area. That's what I'm looking for. And we do not want to break down under this trend line I got here. Now we can wick it. You can see we actually wicked it and bounced here, but we can wick it. But as long as we don't get a 4-hour or a daily candle close underneath here, and if we do, we want to see it go back up into this pattern. We don't want to see it get rejected. So if we get a candle close here, we could come down. But if we do pop up, we don't want to see it come up here and get rejected. Okay, we want to see it go back up into this pattern. All right, that's what we're looking for if we do come to the downside, guys. If not, we look for the more upside. We break this at 350 or 3562, and we should let's look at this 36. Let's see, 36 500 area to 37 area. Okay, So let's keep our eye on that. Or we could just trade sideways, guys. There's nothing wrong with trading sideways here as well. So let's keep that in mind as well. Cardano. I made a video earlier. Someone asked me. I think we were down here at like 230 something, or maybe it was 240. And I did a video earlier, and someone asked me, "Where's your short-term target?" I said 257, and I believe we did hit that. Let's go to the hourly chart. Um, looks like we got the 256. We were pretty close, pretty close. But yeah, so I mean, you always got it, guys. I always tell you guys this. Okay, and some of you guys that haven't watched my channel or just started watching my channel, always start to take profits a little bit before the target. Okay, you don't have to go all out, but maybe take 25, 50%, whatever. Because someone was asking me about short-term trading. This is not for long-term holders. This is a short-term what I'm talking about. But someone was asking me about short-term move. So if you're doing this in a short-term move, okay, and you catch this run up, okay, always sell a little bit before the target. All right, so always take if the target, I like to do a penny or two. I mean, depending on how much the stock is, of course. But like in this example, 257, yeah, I'm looking to take profits, and other traders did too at 256. All right, so always look to take profits just a little bit early because they like to front run it because people say, oh my God, it's getting near there. Let's just take profits. They're taking the profits, guys. Okay. And that's something you should do too. And you don't have to go all out, but maybe take 50% and then just move your stop loss to your buy-in. And no matter what, you're making money. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But that's just a strategy that I've taught on my channel. It's something that I tell you guys to do if you're short-term trading. If you're long-term and you believe in the project, then you just hold it, right? So that's Cardano. I think. Is there anything we can look at on Cardano? Let's go to 4-hour chart. I'll go back to Ethereum and Bitcoin in a little bit on the 1 hour and 4 hour, but I wanted to show you guys the daily on those because those run the market. So yeah, let's see what we got here. We have anything interesting? Let's see. Maybe, just maybe, we got a nice little bump and run here. It looks like. Okay. So yeah, if we break this out of this trend here, I would look for more upside here on Cardano. Okay. So let's see if we break this trend. There is good news. We are above the 10 moving average here on the 4 hour, which is nice. So let's see if this holds up as support right around $2.42. So let's see if that holds up. So yeah, let's see if we can get a bounce up through here, something like this to happen. Maybe look for a little pullback in this range, right around the 264 to 267 area. I can extend this box here. Maybe a little pullback there. Depending on volume, guys. Like if the volume's high, it could just rip right through there. But yeah, let's look for a little pullback there. And if we go higher, then we could extend this trend right here. So I'm just going to extend it. Oh, wrong way. Okay. So we'll extend it. And then so maybe we can do something like this. So we come up here, get rejected, retest, and then go up here and get rejected. Or just blow right through it and go higher. Okay. So that's what I would look for on Cardano here. This is the 4-hour chart. But yeah, if we break this trend right here, then yes, I would look for more upside, guys, for sure. For sure. But I want to see a 4-hour or at least an hourly candle closing above here. And if you get an hour candle closing over here, we want to see the next candle act like support or stay above this trend. We don't want to see it falling back in this trend, even a 4-hour. If it falls back in this trend, then that's going to be bearish, okay? So keep that in mind, guys, on Cardano. So that's what we're looking for on Cardano. Matic, you can see the trend that I drew here, okay? It's big trend here. I'm looking to break this trend. We are getting a little rejection at my $1.35 that I had on from earlier's video. And we did get rejected right around the 140, 141 area. But yeah, so Let's see if maybe we come down, test this, and break out of this pattern here. If we do that, then yes, I would look for more upside. So if you are short-term trading this, maybe just wait for this move to happen to break this area here. Now, like I said, guys, if you see an hour or 4-hour candle close, this is actually on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Okay, let's see what we got here. I mean, pretty much same thing. We want to see this trend break. Guys, we see this trend break. Matic's known for making big runs. When we see these 4-hour trends break like they have, it likes to pop 15-20%. I love trading Matic, guys, because this is awesome to trade it. You can see we are above the 10 on the 4-hour. So let's see if that holds up as support. And let's see if we can break this trend. If we break this trend, then we could have some definitely more upside here. But we could also trade sideways farther down in this trend before we break up. So something like this, we could trade a little sideways here, or we can actually even come down depending on what Bitcoin does, and then eventually break this trend. So as long as we break this trend, though, I think we'll see more upside. Maybe a little bit of a retracement here if we do break it. Confirmation and a bounce. We do not want to see the candle come back down into the trend, close into the trend, because then that would be a bearish sign. Okay. So we want to see a 4-hour or an hourly candle close out of this trend and not come back in this trend. If we get a closure in this trend after we come out of it, then that is bearish, guys. Okay. I just want you guys to know this stuff. All right. And I am charting Solana, guys, because guys, look, what a move. Some of you guys asked me yesterday where I believe a good setup would be, right? And if you guys watch my channel, how many times do we talk about this double bottom, right? Because I can't always be there for you guys at this moment, to make these moves for you guys. So it's tough. It's tough because I can't. So I'm trying to teach you guys how to look for this stuff for yourself. So we had the double bottom. Then once we broke this 166, it was moonshot from there, guys. And I told you I love Solano. I said, yeah, in yesterday's video, look for an area. I believe I said around 150 or 160, if I'm not mistaken. I'd have to go back and look at that video from yesterday. But I said I didn't have enough information. I didn't want to give you guys a solid answer on that because I wasn't exactly sure because we just had the big dump and we only had a couple candles closing after the big dump. So it was very hard to tell. So it's always very important to look for a pattern. That's why I said let's wait for more structure. Well, we got the structure and we got the bounce. Unfortunately, by the time my alarm went off after we broke this a trend, and then by the time there's no way I could have made the video. This candle went so quick. By the time if I would have told you guys to get in, you were chasing, and I don't like doing that, putting in people into a chase position. That's why it's very important that you guys watch my videos. Make sure you guys sub, hit the bell, and hit the all because I teach you guys this. I put this in your brain over and over and over about these double bottoms or these W patterns, and when they break and they get a candle close, it's go time, guys. Okay? This is a good trade. This is you put your money in and you let it go. And you trust the technical analysis, guys. Okay? And that's what we did here with Solano. And I love Solano. I told you guys I love it long. I told you guys yesterday, I think when it was $1.50, $1.40, or I don't even know what it was. Maybe it was $1.70, and I didn't like that position. That's why I didn't tell you guys to get in at $1.75 or whatever, because I thought it was going to get lower, and it did. It did get lower. Okay, but you got to look for these bounces. All right. So, listen. Much love to you guys. Make sure you guys sub to my channel, and make sure you guys. I'm going to put a Webull link in the description because make sure you guys, if you guys aren't signed up already, sign up to Webull because I am doing what I'm trying to do for you guys is trying to get you guys to use my link so you get free shares when you sign up for Webull. Okay. And what I'm trying to do with these free shares, because you're not going to get much. I mean, you could get anywhere from 2,000 to $30 or $40. Who knows? And if you share it with your friends, they are running a promotion that if you do share once you sign up, you could get an Apple share worth about $150. So that's always nice. But you're not going to get much with your $30 or $40. But so what I'm trying to do is you deposit $100, okay? You get your free shares. You got to wait 2 to 3 business days. You got to do your driver's license. You got to do that whole bit. You got to wait 2 to 3 business days. Once you get cleared, you'll get your free shares. Then what I'm trying to get you guys to do, because it's like a lotto ticket, okay, but it's free. You could take your $100 back out, sell those free shares, and you could buy $1 million or not $1 million, but a million or more SHIB. And I know SHIB is a meme coin. It's not the greatest thing, whatever. But people were saying that about Dogecoin, guys. I purchased $400 worth of Dogecoin that turned into $140,000, guys. All right. So SHIB could do this. So I don't want you guys to miss out. And if you guys get these stocks for free, and you buy SHIB with it, and it goes up to a couple pennies, and you're making thousands, 10, 20, 30, 40 grand or whatever it is, you're going to be happy that you did it, and you did it for free. And if it goes down, it's like, who cares? You did it for free. You got free shares from Webull, and you put it in the SHIB, and it's all free. Doesn't cost you anything. Doesn't cost you anything to keep the account. Doesn't cost you anything to hold the account. Doesn't cost you anything to trade anything. So all you're doing is selling your shares once you can. I think you got to wait like 4 or 5 business days. Once you can do that, you can sell them, get your money out of there, or you can just take your money and just get free money, guys. Put $100 in, and you might get anywhere from $30 to $1,200. My brother got a $1,200 stock, or he got $1,200 worth of shares. I mean, this was a year ago. I don't know if they do it the same, because now I think they give you all the same shares. Back then they would give you 3 different shares. Maybe they still do. I don't know. I'd have to look. But yeah, so guys, keep that in mind. I'll put a link in Webull. But listen, I know it's a meme coin. It's something I wouldn't tell you guys to put your own valuable hard-earned money into. If you're going to invest your hard-earned money into something, I recommend Solana, which is just absolutely. I mean, guys, it's ready to break all-time highs as we're doing this video. Like I said, I'm going long on this. So this is something I put most of my portfolio in, and I told you guys I did that, and it's worked out great for me so far. But when it comes to SHIB or Doge or things like that, guys, I mean, these are coins that they're lotto tickets. It's hit or miss. Okay, Solana has projects on it. They got video games running on it. They got a lot of good things coming in the future. They got NFTs. There's a lot of different things that Solana's doing. Bitcoin's store of value. Ethereum's becoming a store of value. Cardano's going to be coming up with their smart contracts. Matic is going to be helping Ethereum transform into some of their projects. So these are all good projects. What I'm showing you here on my channel. Now SHIB is a hit or miss, but guys, get it for free. I mean, what's the worst case that can happen is, it goes to zero and it costs you nothing. All right. So, and you could buy, like I said, like $10, I think you get like a million SHIBs, so it's something ridiculous. $5. I mean, I think $5, you get like 600,000 or something like that. So, you don't have to put much in it, guys, but it doesn't take much when it's 0.00000.7. Okay, if it goes up to a penny, you're making tons of money, guys, for free. So I'm gonna put the link of my Webull down in the description, guys. Much love. Make sure you guys sub to my YouTube channel, Moondog Trading. Hit the bell, hit the all, and I'll keep you guys updated as we go. Peace out.